Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuickBooks login issues, company file errors step by step clearly. Close QuickBooks completely and make sure it is not running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and end any QuickBooks or QBW32 processes. Restart your computer to clear temporary locks on the company file. Confirm you can sign into Windows with an administrator account. Open File Explorer and locate your company file with the QBW extension. Right-click the QBW file, choose Properties, and uncheck Read Only if it is selected. In the same folder, look for the ND and TLG files that match your company file name. Rename the ND file by adding old at the end to force QuickBooks to recreate it. Rename the TLG file by adding old at the end to rebuild the transaction log link if needed. Move the QBW file to a simple local folder like C:\QBTS/ to rule out path and permission issues. Open QuickBooks and try to open the company file from the new local folder. If QuickBooks asks to update the file, choose Yes and let the update finish without interruption. If the login window still fails, open QuickBooks and select Open or Restore an existing company. Choose Restore a backup copy and select a known good QBB backup if you have one. If you do not have a backup, open QuickBooks and go to File, then Utilities, then Verify Data. If Verify finds issues, go to File, then Utilities, then Rebuild Data and follow the prompts. After the rebuild, repeat Verify Data to confirm the errors are resolved. Download and install the latest QuickBooks updates from Help, then update QuickBooks Desktop. Run the QuickBooks Tool Hub and open Company File Issues, then run QuickBooks File Doctor. Select your company file in File Doctor and allow it to repair file and network problems. If you use multi-user mode, open Tool Hub, then Network Issues, and run QuickBooks Database Server Manager. Scan the folder that contains the company file and ensure hosting is configured on the server only. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall. Then test opening the file to check security blocking. Add QuickBooks and the company file folder to antivirus exclusions if security software is the cause. Create a new Windows user with admin rights and test QuickBooks to rule out a Windows profile issue. If login works locally but not on the network, test by mapping the drive and using a UNC path like \server\share\. Check that all users have full control permissions on the company file folder and sharing permissions match. If the file still will not open, copy the company file to a new folder and try opening it with a different QuickBooks user. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.